All right, let's get started. The first step is to prepare the ingredients. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. First, remove the seeds and the stems from the small green bell peppers. Finely chop the small green peppers. Pick the leaves from the Italian parsley and finely chop them. Next, peel the garlic. Finely chop the peeled garlic. Slice off the very ends of the lemon and cut it in half crosswise. The next step is to make the chimichurri sauce. You'll need a mixing bowl. Place the green pepper and garlic in the bowl. Add the finely chopped Italian parsley. Next, add the oregano and the paprika. Add some salt, pepper, and the white wine vinegar. Now add the olive oil and mix everything together. Score the sinews and fat of the beef. Next, you'll need a deep dish to season the beef in. Place the beef in the deep dish and sprinkle both sides with salt and pepper. That's it for preparations. Now it's time to cook the beef. You'll need a frying pan and paper towels. Heat some cooking oil in the frying pan over high heat. Put in the beef, reduce to moderate heat once browned, then cook for about 1 minute more. Be sure to wait until the oil is hot before placing the beef in the pan. Use a pair of tongs to turn the beef and cook for about 2 minutes more, then turn off the heat. Transfer the steak to plates, garnish with a sprig of Italian parsley, and pour on the chimichurri sauce. Garnish with lemon. It's ready to eat. Well done!